Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Experiencing the white light on your PS5 but nothing shows up on screen. That can be really frustrating. Normally, the white light means your console is operating correctly, but sometimes it signals a display issue or a deeper problem. Don't worry too much though. Many times it's something simple we can fix right from home. Let's dive into some effective troubleshooting steps to get your PlayStation 5 back up and running smoothly. Our first step is always the easiest, a full power cycle. First, turn off your PS5 completely. Then, unplug the power cord from both the console and the wall outlet. It's really important to unplug every cable, even the HDMI. Now, wait a full 30 seconds. This allows any residual power to fully drain from the system. After waiting, plug everything back in securely and try to power on your PlayStation 5. This simple reset often resolves many minor glitches. Next, let's carefully inspect all your connections. Start with your HDMI cable. Ensure it's securely plugged into both your PS5 and your display. A slight jiggle can cause display issues. Double-check that your power cord is fully inserted into the console and the wall outlet. Also, temporarily unplug any USB devices, like external hard drives. Sometimes these can interfere. Ensuring all connections are solid is really key for proper function. If the issue persists, we can try safe mode. First, power down your PS5 completely. Now, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep. This brings you into safe mode. Connect your controller via USB cable and select Rebuild Database. This option scans your drive, helping organize data and often resolving glitches that cause display problems. It won't delete your games or saves, so it's a very safe step to try. If you've tried all these steps and the white light issue is still there, it might be time for professional help. Your next move should be to contact PlayStation support directly. They can provide more advanced diagnostic tools or guide you through the process of sending your console in for repair. Remember, it's really important not to open your PlayStation 5 yourself. Doing so can easily void your warranty and potentially cause more damage. Let the experts handle it if it comes to that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.